The big man is hovering over, and he's blocking out the sun. And before the ordeal's over, the streets are soaked, everyone. And as depression looms over, the skies turn from blue to gray. It never stops, it's never over, all that London rain.
My girl has left me once again, left me out to dry. And she already met another man, I don't know why I even tried. But while that was a while ago, still fills me with pain. And that's just how I feel though, from all that London rain. My new girl is so much better, but it feels like she pretends. She's just a constant goal setter, but most of them just end. And when she left my home, I knew she'd be back again. 'Cause where else are you gonna go in all that London rain? I just want you to stay all throughout my life. 'Cause when you go away, the sky loses all its light. And I'll be there for you through all the tears of pain. Take my hand and I'll guide you through all that London rain. Finally it's all over, but when I look up she's gone. She left a note that we were over, she took her records, everyone. And as I look out, nothing will ever be the same. I wish that it would come back now, all that London rain. It seems to understand my pain,